Hello, dear children. Welcome back to my talks. And this is for Standard 12th Biology. As promised, I'm back with chapter 3. Okay. I have already shared 2 chapters, and this is human reproduction. So I'm back with MCQ questions, assertion, reason based, and case based. Okay. So this is really going to be very, very beneficial for you. And yes, from beforehand, okay, I'm telling you that do keep watching the videos, okay, and yeah, study according to this so that you understand how to prepare yourself. Yeah, just see, it's not moving. So when we go, ovulation is the human female normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. So the 4 options are there and you have to choose from there. Okay. Yeah, children, I've already recorded. I had already recorded it, and due to some technological problems, I could not upload it. And the whole video, I don't know, got deleted. So I'm doing it for your sake for the second time. So I appreciate that hard work. And yeah. So questions, again, I'm not reading to you. You can see it. I'll just halt it and I will share the answers with you. So question 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. 11, 12, and 13. 13th question, mature Graafian follicle is generally present in the ovary of a healthy human female around 5 to 8 days of menstrual cycle. The options are there. Okay. As you can see, then we come to 14th question. A chromosomal reaction of the sperm occurs due to, okay, its contact with zona pellucida of the ova, C, D. Then finally we come to questions 15 to 22nd, even 23rd, you can see. 23rd is temperature of the scrotum, which is necessary for the functioning of testes as always. Batao. 2 degrees, 4 degrees, 6 degrees, and 8 degrees. Yeah, you should know it. You have been studying it since, I don't know, I was about to say childhood. So childhood, nahi, at least standard 10th you must have studied. Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30th. 30th, the function of the secretion of prostate gland, okay, is to the 4 options: inhibit sperm activity, attract sperm, stimulate sperm activity, and none of these. Got it? Then finally we come to 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35, 36, and 37 questions. Got it? 37th is seminal plasma. The fluid part of semen is contributed by seminal vesicle, prostate, urethra, bulbourethral gland. Okay, it is there. As you can see, the choices are there. Then we come to 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cell differentiates into, this is 38th question. And finally, 44th is the principal tail piece of human sperm shows the microtubular arrangement. That is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, and 13 plus 2. Then we come to this 14th, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 questions. Which one is released from the ovary is 50th question. Okay. Then finally we come to this 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, yeah, 51 say. Okay, up till 58. 58th question, the solid mass of 8 to 16 cells formed from zygote after successive mitotic divisions is called blastula, gastrula, morula, none of these. Okay. Then we come to 59, 60, 61. 70 questions around MCQs are there from this particular chapter. Really going to be very, very useful for you for preparations for your boards and for your school exams as well, because everything will be based on the same model. So 62nd question, urine test during pregnancy determines the presence of what? Okay. Then comes 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. 70th question, and after that, the answers. So first you solve all the questions, then you go for the answers. And the last question, 70th question, MCQ, delivery of developed fetus. Children, some spellings may be wrong while typing. Fetus is FOETUS, is scientifically called this. Okay. So these are the answers. The complete answer sheet I will put it here so that it's easier. You can check it for yourself. Okay. Next, let us go to assertion reason based questions from the chapter. ABCD पहले दिया हुआ है that you can see and you can choose the correct one. And then we come to the first 8, 9 assertions, 10 assertions. Okay? As you can see, I'll hold it for some time so that you can read it for yourself and you can solve it. Okay. Then we come to 11, 12 from 11 onwards. Okay. Come to 18, 17 questions. 17th is the sperm head contains a cap-like structure called ectrosome, that is assertion, and reason is ectrosome is filled with enzymes that help in fertilization of the ovum. 17th question. Okay. Come to 18th to 26th. 26th is assertion. Head of sperm consists of ectrosome and mitochondria. Reason ectrosome contains spiral row of mitochondria. Okay. Come to the next set of questions. That is 27 to 33. 33 is the endometrium undergoes cyclical changes during menstrual cycle. Reason the endometrium exhibits strong contractions during delivery of the baby. Come to 34 से लेके T3 तक. Placenta is an endocrine gland and reason it secretes many hormones essential for pregnancy. Okay. Come to 44 onwards. 44 to 44, 49th is all Metatherian are placental mammals, and reason all placental mammals have menstrual cycle. And 58, 51, and to 54. 54, the last assertion reason based parturition is induced by neural signal in maternal pituitary gland, and reason at the end of gestation period, the maternal pituitary relaxes prolactin, which causes uterine contractions. Then comes the solution, which will help you to understand better. Okay. So these are the first 12. Then we come to the next set of answers. Okay, till 22. Whatever the options are chosen, why they are chosen, that is mentioned very well. So it will help you to understand the assertion reason questions in a better way. Okay. Finally, we have up to 30. Okay. Then we have 31 से लेके 43 तक. It's clear on the screen. You can see it. And then finally we go to 44 से 48, 44 to 48. Maybe go to 54 तक है. So these are the answers. Okay. Along with that, a case study based question is also there. That read the case and then the questions related to it. Okay, case study based questions will be like this only. A paragraph will be there, and related to that, the questions will follow. Okay, dear children, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it. Share it with your friends who are going to answer standard 12 and they are studying biology in any school, anywhere. The only thing is that it should be CBSE board, and the varieties of questions which I'm sharing, let it be beneficial. That is the only reason why I'm making this video, so that it reaches maximum of students and it is beneficial for all. And students benefit from it and they score good marks. That is my only aim. So do share it with your friends and like when you see the video, first like it, okay? And then please do comment. So this is one case-based question and the answers are also there. So with this, I come to the end of all the questions, and this is all for today. Okay, children, thank you all. Thank you for watching. All the best for your studies. Do good and be good. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.